Okay, so before using the camera for the first time, the quick start manual said that you have to charge it, and it may take around 8 hours to charge using a 5 volt 2 amp USB C charger. So I've connected this cable that they supplied to the camera, connected it to that USB C slot, and I think when it starts to charge, it's supposed to be a blue LED. I think the blue LED comes on the front, and then when it finishes charging, the blue LED should shut off. So that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm going to plug in this charger using a standard extension cable USB-C connector, and there you go. The blue light turns on, showing that it is charging. And so I'll come back here later. It may take about 8 hours, but the previous camera that I charged did not take 8 hours, so maybe it'll take less.